Hello guys, welcome back to my another video. And how are you guys? I hope you all will be fine. In this video we will learn how to earn my AI chatbot on Snapchat. So first of all, you open Snapchat application. After that you guys will click on the chat. Now you guys will click on the chat, like see in front of me my AI is here, then definitely my AI option will not come in front of you. How are you guys getting data? You people simply have to look above. There is a search request on. You people have to click on the search box. After clicking, you people simply click here. So you will see an interface like this. I am already friended, but you will see an option episodes, and here you can see hi to my AI are up. People just click on it. After doing this, you guys will click on view now. After clicking on view now, you can click here on Snapchat. Who is a friend of Snapchat? Add a friend here. Then I read it here and accept it. You have set on the same procedure. After that, you guys have to click on OK here, but you guys can do any chat. I will send you a message and show you. You can chat any random with them. If you can, how can you get the feature of this AI? I will tell you. So this is enough for today video, and see you in the next video. Thanks you guys.